Mosey, you made this?
She a bad bitch, I gotta have it. Since yesterday, got a brand new buzz on Patty. Buzz on Cartier, in a Benz today. Fly out on a jet just for me to get away. She a bad bitch.
Yo, what is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Turn on those notifications, those young notifications. Now, it is 3 in the morning. I'm kind of tired. I just had to record this gameplay because for some reason I couldn't freaking play and talk at the same time. It just was all wacky and I don't know. It just wasn't working for me. But I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, like I said. And guys, this video is not going to be a vape video. This video is not going to be a vlog. It's going to be me sitting down and talking with whoever's watching this video, which I hope is most of you guys. And I want to thank you guys for 9,000 subscribers, hitting that new year right, baby. Now, I did make a New Year's video and I dropped it 3 times, and every time I dropped it, pretty well, it got demonetized due to copyright. So it was an edit that I threw in there, so I took the music out, took the edit out, put different music in, tried a bunch of things, and it ended up being my intro. I was like, okay, well, I just give up at this point. But anyways, I can't put that video out because it'd be useless without the edits in it and my intro, so I gotta swap that up this video. But anyways, if you guys have been wondering where I am, I know some of you guys on my Snapchat have been asking me where I am, what I've been doing, this and that, when the next video is coming out. Now, the reason why I haven't been posting, I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible, and you know, it might be boring for some of you guys, but that's why I have Fortnite going in the background, just because, you know, Fortnite is kind of interesting to watch, and I feel like if I was watching a video where somebody was just blabbing the whole time, I'd want to see something in the background, and it pretty well just keeps your attention on the screen and kind of just like, I don't know, it just works better with something in the background and it keeps your attention instead of you guys getting bored. Now, this gameplay is kind of shitty. I mean, I'm freaking tired as all hell, and it's just like whatever game mode this is. But anyways, back into this video. I mean, we're already at 2 minutes and I haven't even got to the point yet. But the whole reason why I haven't been posting on YouTube, okay, so if you guys remember that video dripping 50 salt nick or whatever on a dripper at 111 watts, that video did numbers. You know, I was hungry for views. I wanted to see if I could make a video that would shock people and be like, oh shit, I want to watch this, and they click on it, and you know, money, right? But anyways, so I put that video, and then not too long ago I got an email from YouTube, and I was like, shit, like what the hell, brother? So I clicked the email and I'm like, damn, I got a strike, like a literal, I don't know, a strike, a YouTube strike, a community strike, I guess they would call it. And so that makes it so I can't live stream, because I was like, whatever, it's a strike, it'll go away maybe, I don't know. So then I went ahead, you guys, tried to live stream, I couldn't. So I'm like, damn. So I went into my copyright things and I seen that the strike was still there and it wouldn't let me live stream. So at this point I was like, okay, that video was kind of stupid, and it was like a company, like a juice company or a vape company, because I got the email that they sent as a report, and yeah, it was kind of just, I want to put it on the screen to show you guys, but I don't, and it's so far down I don't want to pull it up and read it to you guys, because I'm pretty sure that's against YouTube's terms and services. But anyways, so after that, you know, I was kind of just shook, and I just kind of was scared to post a video, because the whole, like, people can say just post a video, whatever, it's a channel. I worked my ass off to get this channel to almost 10,000 subscribers in a year, okay? That's, like, my goal as a child was to be able to grow a YouTube channel. Last year, before I made this channel, I was sitting here in my room upstairs, obviously not this room and not the position I'm in, but I was sitting there kind of just like, damn, like, I wonder what it would feel to hit 1,000 subs. So I went ahead, YouTubed 1,000 subs, right? Because I was like, I want to see people's reactions, because I'd shit myself. And I did that, and then 10,000 subs, whatever, a million is like huge. But so I would always do that just to like get the feeling of like, you know, how cool would that be to hit 1,000 subs, and how cool would that be to hit 10,000. So after thinking this whole thing over about getting a community strike, you get 3 strikes, you're out, like you're not coming back with that channel. And so after thinking about it, I don't want to lose my channel. I know vape videos is what made me blow up, whatever. Not even blow up, just get a fan base. And it's what started me. But anytime you look at any bigger YouTuber, they started off with some sorts of video where, or some type of video where it made them grow and made them who they am. And then they switch. And there's always a reason to it. Either it gets boring, the views are low, or just a new trend comes along. Now I'm kind of bored of vape videos, but I'm not. It's just there's not enough content that I can make without getting a sponsorship on every single video, so I'm able to afford going out and buying vapes every day. Because what a sponsorship pretty well does is they pay you to go over their product, and it helps videos. It sponsors your videos. But yes, that strike really opened my eyes and was like, wow, like I don't really want to lose this channel. Like I could go ahead, keep posting vape videos. If I want to not lose my channel, you know, I can always switch content. And pretty well what people are going to tell me is, oh, don't switch your content on this channel. This is what your channel is pretty well about. But there's always something called rebranding, and I could rebrand my channel around something else and still have vape videos, or just keep a Canadian vapor, make some vape videos, maybe make some gaming videos, maybe do vlogs, maybe just show you guys my life, because there is so much behind the vape videos that I'm sure lots of you guys would like to see. My crazy snowmobiling, I live this life where every time I do something, I just think, man, I should be able to film this and put this on YouTube, because I know most of you guys would like that. So I'm kind of just trying to think of what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Now, if you guys are thinking anything like what I kind of just said, drop it down in the comments. I'm going to need all you guys to drop those down in the comments, because that always helps. Just knowing the kind of videos you guys would like to see will make a huge improvement on my channel, because I don't want to just go ahead and spend a bunch of hours a day grinding, making good content, and you guys not going to watch it, where I could literally sit here for 5 minutes and talk about a vape and get 10,000 views, or do something stupid and get 100,000 views. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with my channel. Just like the whole thing in a nutshell is my community strike really set me back, and I don't want to lose my channel, because I really grew this one and I don't want to lose it. Like I can make another one and make different videos and stay on this one and keep vaping, but then if I lose it, it just would be not the same. I kind of would probably just stop YouTube. So I'm trying to save my channel by doing that. And if you guys still support me after me switching content, but I would still post vape videos once in a while, you know, something to do with vaping, I would still post that. But it's just at this point in time, I do not want to lose what I've worked so hard at over something so stupid, where I could just switch my content and not have to worry about it. Yeah, thank you guys all so much for the support lately. It really means a lot to me, and I'm trying my best to figure out this whole YouTube situation. And after I figure out which kind of content you guys are gonna watch, depending on that, I'll be able to know an uploading schedule, and then I'll be able to tell you guys, and we'll stick to that for 2019, baby. I hope you guys all crush your goals and do whatever you guys want over this year. Just absolutely dominate. If you want to be a YouTuber, go ahead, guys. You can Snapchat me and I'll help you. Like, I'll teach you some steps on how to grow on YouTube and like support you all the way. If you want to do something that somebody's making fun of, do it anyways. Like, there's no one gonna be there at the end of the day for you like you are for yourself. You don't need anybody to push you or push you to succeed technically. But anyways, enough with this blabber. I'm gonna go edit this video and upload it. I'm so tired. And again, thank you guys so much for all the support. It truly means a lot to me. And drop comments on video ideas. Sorry if this is like a big circle where I'm just chasing my words. But anyways, you guys take care and peace out.